Hi guys, I am so glad you opened this video because today I am so excited to make Zara and H&M haul. Normally you guys like watching hauls and I love shooting hauls. Actually, I love shooting all kind of videos because I don't know, I just really enjoy doing it, and when I see views from you and comments and likes, it makes me just so happy. First, I want to start from telling you how much grateful I am for each and every of you for views. And enough talking, let's start with the haul. As I said, it's gonna be Zara and H&M haul. Actually, from H&M, I'm gonna just show you two items, but I couldn't not give them few seconds of attention because they're really nice items, and we will come there. You know, now there is a big trend on vests, and I'm wearing one right now, and I decided to purchase vest from Zara. Actually, I searched in lots of different online shops and I would say offline, but no, everything is closed now in Berlin, and we are in almost full lockdown since like middle of November, and unfortunately all shops closed, so you have to purchase online. Anyway, as I said, I checked lots of different online shops, and Zara had the best selection. So the first vest I ordered is this gray vest, and I'm just so much in love with it. The quality is very nice. You know, I always talk about quality of an item, and even my boyfriend always make fun of me, telling like why you put so much attention into quality of item, but in my opinion it's very important. You know, my aim here is to help you with your online purchases, and you know, when you are purchasing online, you don't really know how good is the quality. I mean, you can know more or less how item will fit you, what color it will be, like design, but quality is the most tricky thing. That's why I'm always talking about it, and I think it's very important, right? So coming back to this vest, as you see, it's a nice gray color vest, you know, very deep gray color, and it's very easy to style it. It go with dresses, go with shirts, go with turtlenecks, and it's so warm, you know. As I said in my previous videos, that the way to achieve stylish and warm outfit in winter is very important. You should use layering. You should be layering different elements on top of each other, and vest is one of the greatest opportunity to do it. You know, you will feel much warmer with vest than without it, and you still can wear your shirt, right? You still can show your shirt, because if you wear your shirt with sweater, it's kind of, you just see this part, right? So yeah, I would say I'm quite satisfied with the vest. Let me see, it's size S. They didn't have extra small, because I always go with extra small when there is opportunity, because Zara especially are very good with sizes, you know, and if it's extra small and it's supposed to be oversized, it will be oversized for extra small, you know. I know that some fashion experts advise you to buy few sizes bigger. I personally don't agree with it, especially that I'm quite petite and I normally wear extra small size, and if I see that this design of a blazer, let's say oversized, I order extra small and it will be oversized, because today all the even mass market shops manage to fit item perfectly on you, so you don't need to buy M to make it look oversized, because if it meant to be oversized, the blazer meant to be oversized, even extra small will look quite oversized, you know. Unless you want to go extreme, then it's different story. And you think I stopped on one vest? No, I bought the second vest, and it's this nice blue vest, and in my opinion it's so cute, even though I made a poll in my Instagram asking people's opinion about this one, and not much people like the vest. I know why. I know that fashion not always clear, and plus fashion and everything related to beauty and aesthetic is very subjective. Someone may see this vest very beautiful, very stylish, very like nice, and someone will tell like, no, it looks so bad. So in my opinion, you should rely on yourself. You know, you should ask, do I like it? Does it fit me? And if yes, then why not? I mean, you live just once, wear whatever you want, right? I know I'm sitting here and teaching you fashion and always giving you advice and talking about it, but in the end of the day, if you think that what I'm telling doesn't fit you personally, I would always advise you to go with your own senses, you know. Listen to yourself, because the main person in your life is you. I mean, someone you will always be around with. Not your best friend, not your parent, not your kid, but you know. And if you don't like yourself, what's the point? And anyway, coming back to this vest, you know, again, the material is quite nice, quite warm. It's a little bit oversized, and size is S. It's the smallest they have. You know, I think after Netflix TV show Queen's Gambit, this pattern becomes so popular again, and why not? And you know, vest look like it's from 70s, maybe your grandma or something similar. And if you are brave enough to experiment with something like this, I would recommend to put your attention on it. Maybe if it were black and white or gray, it would be even more basic and easier to go with stuff, but why not blue also as an option? And blue is also not very like outgoing color. I mean, it's quite easy to style blue with gray, white, beige, black, so it's all up to you guys. And the next item is also blue, and it's this shirt. I purchased it from Zara. You know, as long as I remember myself, I always hunt for a good blue shirt, and till now I didn't succeed in it. Again, I ordered this from Zara. On photos it looked good, because you know, they style it with pants, I think, or with jeans, I don't remember, and they put it inside. So on photo I didn't really understand how tall is the shirt, but when it came, it's basically a dress. And you know, when you buy a shirt that is very long and you're planning to put it inside your pants, it won't look good, you know. As more material it is, as bulkier your pants will look. Of course, you still can find a ways around to put it more tightly, you know, but why to struggle, right? Better to buy shorter shirts that will fit very accurate, you know. Anyway, if you are searching for something like this, you can put your attention on it, but for me, I didn't like it. It definitely, going back, I didn't like that this part, it's very big and bulky. I like when it's more neat, you know, smaller, more accurate. Like if you see on my shirt here, you see the difference, how small it's here and how big it's here. Then the sleeves of the shirt is very like big, I don't know, again look bulky, and of course it depends from your body type, but for me it didn't fit at all. And the shirt is going back, but the material itself is not bad. I mean, this is what you can expect from Zara. Of course, I didn't expect Massimo Dutti quality, but for Zara, quite decent for the price they are asking, not bad. And the next item I want to show you, it's actually my favorite. I really genuinely fall in love with this item. It's this, oops. Yes, it's this gray pants, and for so long I was hunting for a perfect gray pants that are more or less basic, you know, gray. It's in most of the time basic unless it's some crazy design. And these pants, I wouldn't say they are 100% basic because of this element here, but I think this is what makes them interesting. It's not hard to style them. Unfortunately, the material is not very nice. You know, this fabric, these pants wouldn't live long. I mean, if you're planning to wear them every day or a few times per week, I don't think after a year or 1.5 they will look good. Maybe a year even. You know, it's not the best material, and already I have here a scratch. I don't know how it happened. I wore them just just once outside to my job, and I have no idea how it happened. So keep it in mind, but as a design they are amazing. And the other thing, it's very important to mention that these pants are very tall, and you know, as I said in the beginning of video, now it's lockdown and nothing works, so it's impossible to find tailor and crop these pants. They are very, very long. So if you are tall and you are struggling to find like perfect fit palazzo pants, these are good. And if you are not really tall, you will have to crop it. But anyway, pants are not bad. I would recommend them. They weren't expensive, and yeah, not bad option for a basic gray pants. And now gradually we came to jackets. I want to show you one coat and one puffy jacket that I get from Zara. Let's start with the jacket. As you see, it's quite short and quite puffy. you know, very warm. Like if you are searching for a warm jacket, very nice. Material is good. It's extra small if you are wondering, and yeah, not bad. But for me, I'm not sure because I feel a little bit too bulky in it. But I think as taller you are, as better this jacket will fit you. Yeah, I think they had couple of other colors. I'm not sure about it, but you can check. As usually, I will leave all links down below in description. You can check, guys. And this size is extra small. And the last item I want to show you from Zara is this camel coat. And yeah, as you see, it's quite slim coat, and in my opinion a little bit old-fashioned, and I really regret buying it. I'm definitely gonna send it back because, as I said, it's very slim. The size is extra small. I mean, my size. I always purchase stuff in extra small size, but you cannot fit anything underneath. You can barely close it. In shoulders and sleeves it's good, but how it fits, I don't know. Not really trendy, not really classic even, and not very convenient. So in my opinion, the price was around 100 euros, more or less. Doesn't worth it in my opinion. Very thin, not very good quality. All the, like, look, even now, what are this? I mean, I don't think this coat will serve you long. It looks not bad on photos on their website, but in real life, think twice before purchasing it. I don't know. So these were all items from Zara that I wanted to show you, and now let's switch to H&M. As I said, there are only 2 items I want to show you, but I really love them and I think they're totally worth attention. Both of them I'm keeping, both of them I already wear a lot, and this item, the first one I want to show you, is this sweater from H&M. The price was very decent, something like 25-30 euros. Good material, of course it's not wool, at least not 100% wool, but very warm sweater. Looks very good on you, and design is quite interesting because you see sleeves are very wide, very nice. The color, you know, it's silvery gray and complementary to skin. Of course it depends from your skin color and hair color and eyes, but I think this is more or less basic gray colors that would fit most of the people. Anyway, I really would recommend you, if you are seeking for sweaters, put your attention on H&M. These guys always have good sweater selections, quite decent quality, and cheaper than Mango or Zara for sure. And the last item is H&M, and it's these boots. I just purchased them a week ago. They arrived less than a week ago, and I totally love them. I know they look a little bit bulky, and they're a little heavy, but if it's rainy, if it's snowy, it's not a problem for you anymore, because this shoe, these tractors, you know, will protect you from it, and quite decent quality. I had similar from H&M before, and I wore them, oh god, for 2.5 years, like 3 seasons until now. I have them. They are just get a little bit scratchy, but what I am trying to say is they're not bad quality. H&M has quite decent shoe, and this shoe cost like 30 euros or 35. I mean, if you want to buy from like and they are not bad. I mean, for this price, quality is fabulous, you know, and they look very stylish. You know what I notice is that when you wear this kind of shoes, they are very like brutal, I agree, but you look much more feminine, you know, you start to look so tender. I don't know how, maybe this big contrast, and you know, they make your legs look thinner, longer, and of course they have these platforms that will make you taller anyway, but you know, it's kind of platforms that makes you taller, but it's not hard to walk on it. It's not like heels. So yes guys, if you are searching something similar, put your attention on H&M. They have lots of different models, and check it yourself. As usual, link will be down below. And yes guys, these were all items I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this haul. I really hope you enjoyed these few minutes with me. I definitely did. And see you on my next videos. Bye bye.